Welcome to the Whisp app. Whisp turns your affected or whispered voice into a clear and natural voice. When you have an affected voice, speak like you usually do. For Whisp, your articulation quality should be good enough, but it doesn't matter how your voice sounds. For stuttering and certain voice disorders like spasmodic dysphonia, deliberately steering the voice towards whispering makes you speak much more relaxed. In this recording screen, you can record your voice to explore how it sounds with Whisp. Press the button once, speak or whisper a few sentences, and press the button again when you're done. When you have an affected voice, speak like you usually do. Whisper when it's beneficial for you, or when you have a healthy voice. Keep your phone close to your mouth, about 5 to 10 centimeters away. Articulate clearly, speak at a moderate pace. Ensure audible speech volume, but don't force your voice. In this voice selection screen, you can hear and choose your Whisp voice. Tap on the different preset Whisp voices, listen to them, and experience how they sound. Use your phone volume buttons or tap or slide the volume bar to adjust the volume. You can also select different language-dependent accents. So take your time and play around. You can always change your Whisp voice later, but for now, select the one you like the best and tap the button below. In this screen, you can listen to your converted recording again. It's always possible to change your Whisp voice for this recording by tapping the button at the top. You can also share the converted recording with whomever you want. Tap the new button to start a new recording. You can record both audio and video messages. In this screen, you can start a new recording. You can choose to record audio or video messages. When you have an affected voice, speak like you usually do. Whisper when it's beneficial for you, or when you have a healthy voice. Keep your phone close to your mouth, about 5 to 10 centimeters away. Articulate clearly, speak at a moderate pace, ensure audible speech volume, but don't force your voice. It's always possible to change your Whisp voice by tapping the button at the top. This screen shows your phone contacts. Search the person you would like to make your first Whisp call with. There are 2 ways of making calls with Whisp. You can reach everyone directly on their mobile or fixed line so the other person does not have to download the app. To reach a number that is not in your contacts, use the dial screen. You can invite family and friends to download Whisp for free so you can use video and also answer their incoming calls with Whisp. For now, let's make your first Whisp call to the phone number of the person you prefer. Non-US recipients may see another phone number on their screen. Please notify them before calling. And don't forget, avoid background noise, articulate clearly, speak at a moderate pace, ensure audible speech volume, but don't force your voice. You can choose to hold your phone to your ear or put the phone on speakerphone and keep your phone close to your mouth, about 5 to 10 centimeters away. Enjoy your first Whisp call. You get the first 30 minutes to test for free. Until now, you have used and experienced the preset Whisp voices, but there are 2 ways to make Whisp sound like you. We call this your Personal Whisp voice. The first option, which takes just 10 minutes, is to record your voice directly in the Whisp app. This is meant for people who stutter when you recently improved your voice, for example after speech therapy or Botox treatment, or when you want to bank your voice before surgery. The second option is a premium service by the Whisp team for which you need to submit clear audio or video recordings of your own past healthy voice. This is meant for people who permanently lost their voice. Press the Personal Whisp voice tab and follow the steps to learn more. You can always do this later.